Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So again, in continuation to the 7 to 9 months old, let's talk about the further things. So you might see that they start cruising. Again, the development varies. Some kids start it later, some kids might start in this age. So you'll see that they start cruising along the furniture, they can stand with one hand held, and even if you give two hands, they might take few steps to walk towards you. So in this, what you have to take care is, don't pull them like this from above, and even if they are cruising on the furniture, try to bring them at the whatever they are cruising on at their shoulder level, so their arms are straight. What happens is, there is something called nursemaid's elbow, in which the bones here get dislocated because of that pull. So that is one thing you have to take care. And another thing is, if they are held here, they are actually not activating their muscles as much. If you are taking their weight on their shoulder level, then all the weight which is supposed to go to the legs is going through the legs, and they are activating their own body, keeping the alignment straight, and then moving and using their muscles. So make sure when you are making them walk with their hands held, just keep your hands at the shoulder level. You can come down, sit down to their level, and then help them. Then they start, even sometimes around this age or sometimes later, they start pull to standing also. So they'll pull onto stuff and then stand, pull onto your legs and then start. But just make sure that if your child from sitting or going from sitting to maybe on all four and not crawling but directly going to pull to stand, just notice that, and if you see they are doing that they are avoiding crawling but rather directly going to pull to stand. Crawling is a very important milestone, so just help them crawl. हम ऐसे बैठे हैं and हम दुम घोड़ा and you can support from here. Another thing which happens around this age is use of walkers. So these are the walkers which are very commonly used, yet it might lead to many accidents. The child doesn't take much weight on the feet, but the feet either dangles or he uses momentum instead of taking proper weight. They can even go more on toes if the height is not proper. So just take these things in mind, keep these things in mind while using these walkers. These another walkers, they are still a little better because the child is taking weight, they are not sinking into the base, they are not hanging around, and they don't, the child has a better control over the walker. So these can still be used. So just let them explore themselves more, and instead of using these adjuncts. So just make sure of that. That is the majorly the gross motor development, and rest of the fine motor and the other development I will talk about in the later video, because it's a wonderful age. They explore so much, they move, they don't yet develop the strength in or the perfection in one of the position, and still they want to go to the next position. It's sitting, walking, moving, in crawling, even they are visualizing everything, so their visual coordination with the movement is developing. So a lot of development happens. So if you have any queries, please reach out to me. Thank you. Have a good day.